Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. Look at that. Down under 80K. It's been a minute since we've been under 80,000, down 6.3%. Finally, are getting some real weakness in the stock market. Let's actually go through some of the positions. AMD is finally under $500. It's at 493. It was having trouble breaking through that support line. It's been a whole month of it being just bouncing above that $500 mark, and it's finally just gone under 500. So I don't know, man. Maybe we'll continue to see some more weakness until earnings. SoFi under 1750. Those are my two main holdings. Everything else is pretty okay. Robinhood is down 7.4%. I think because they're about to look at that. They're gonna do a 400 to 500 million dollar asset backed bond sale, for raising debt right there. Let's actually. There's a lot of weakness right now. If you are memory stocks, you are getting destroyed. SanDisk, SK Hynix down 10% plus. Nebius, Bloom Energy 14% down. I ran down 10%. Marvell 9%. Micron's already 840, man. So this one was a $1,200 stock. Now it's 800. Maybe we'll go down to under $800. I don't know. If I believe AMD is going to bring up the market, we're gonna have to wait until August for that. SpaceX is now under 135, 131, man. So SpaceX is really dropping like a freaking rock. Oracle 126. A lot of people asking me about Oracle. Taiwan, that's the one that is the report earnings, and their earnings were good, man. But look, man, they are expected. They are expected right here to actually raise capex. I saw that some news about it. Let's actually see. I believe I saw it when I was going through AMD. Through AMD real quick. It says right there. TSMC raised its 2026 capital spending to 60 to 64 billion to support its AI chip demand, spooking investors worried about margin pressures. And obviously, it's leading the market right now, leading the sell-off in chip stocks. Even though TSMC recorded a Q2 profit and strong revenue growth. So that is a big reason why we were seeing a big red day in these type of stocks. So we might just start seeing a lot of weakness, guys. So if earnings keep coming out and these companies keep reporting earnings and even one little thing is off, they're going to go down huge double-digit percentages. So pay attention to these stocks whenever they do earnings. If they miss on one little thing, stock's going to tank 10% plus. Just pay attention, guys. May be some opportunities out there to scoop up some shares in companies that you like for the very long term. But remember, make sure you invest in things you really like. Do your research, because if you see a big red days and you don't know what you're investing in, you're gonna have paper hands, man. If you have paper hands and you sell off just because there's a little bit of weakness, that means you didn't do your research. You're not confident in your investments. You have to be confident in your investments to hold on, because there will always be volatility, always, man. And whenever there's volatility, that's the opportunity to get into some great companies.